day.
Okay.
If we don't catch fish, we're coming all the way back to ride the spillway. We're gonna put the troll motor in high gear and hope for the best.
Right. Have the players ready.
Have the GoPros rolling. Oh, Jim! I missed it. Throw over here, Jim. Oh, he hit it again, Jim.
Is he right here?
Yeah, he's right here, Jim. I had just had drag slip. He hit it and not drag, like, he's like seriously right here.
Okay.
Welcome back to another fishing episode. I'm Rob. That's my good friend Jim.
So,
And we're out here today, guys. We're out here on the, what is this, a creek?
yeah.
We're on a mini creek, guys, and we've caught pike out here. We've caught bowfin, good bass. And he's rigging up a sonar.
Yeah. A little deeper sonar.
Yeah, a little sonar, guys, and we've never really fished with one. I mean, Jim's pretty familiar with this, but, you know, it's kind of nice, you know, to see what's going on out here where you're at, you know. You have no idea, and you can kind of figure it out. It makes it really nice. Yeah, is that just... Jim! That's fast. What the hell? Heck yeah. Dude.
2 pounder, 2.5.
Heck yeah, guys. I thought it was a pike, but no. He was chilling in that Jim. I would go right back where I cast along that wall and see if you can pick another one off. See, guys, and this is why Jim said, I got a feeling let's go to the creek. Came to the creek. Jim, what is that, a 2 pounder?
Yeah. About 2, yeah.
I'm not gonna weigh him, guys. I mean, if we get any bigger than this for a bass, then I will, but it's probably about a 2 pounder. Yeah, we need to start doing that again because the pictures are so much clearer on this. Heck yeah, guys, got a quick picture. We're gonna release her and get back to fishing. She's gone. Jim. I don't know what this is, Jim. Oh, another bass. What the heck? He was right on the wall.
Stacked up right here on this hard structure.
Heck yeah, guys. Bass number 2. He was on the other cement wall. Yeah, the fish are definitely chilling right here. Heck yeah. I thought he was bigger than the first fish. Nice color on him. Good picture, Jim. Heck yeah. Awesome, guys. We're gonna get him back. See you, buddy.
There we go. Yeah. Oh, it's a big bass. Hell yeah.
Looks like a 3 pounder. I just stopped casting that side.
Yeah. Finally, the swim bait does it for me. First one for me.
Let me get a picture of you, Jim.
On the little pig bait.
Gotcha. Heck yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's got to be a 3. Pretty close to it. That's the biggest bass of the day. I thought you had a pike at first.
Yeah, the way the way he was fighting, it felt like it. 262. I thought he was a little bit bigger, but
Yeah, so did I. Good looking fish.
oh yeah, he's healthy. Hurry up and get him back.
Heck yeah. Good bass, Jim. He hit it again?
Yeah, whatever it was. I think it's something small. Because it's like just a little tip. Never so subtly. Come off the bottom, please. Okay.
Alright. Hell yeah, Jim.
Come on.
Just got the back end. Yeah, guys, Jim just hooked up with pipe.
Under.
Heck yeah.
Little guy, nothing to brag about, but more than welcome.
Stop. Not only that, but I'm sure the spinnerbait's seen better days. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, he's got some. This one's probably, yeah, this one's bigger. Yeah, I think you throwing a chatterbait on, Jim. I think that might be. Yeah, I think it's a good idea with this guy. I mean, he's big enough, bigger than all my other ones. Heck yeah, guys. I mean, this is a solid bass right here. I mean, Jim caught a solid one too. That almost a 3-pounder. Hold the power button on. Get our clamp, unclamp, clamp his mouth. Where's he at? Oh shit. 2-3, guys.
I thought he was a little bigger.
So did I. I thought he was at least 2.5. Heck yeah, guys. Nice little largie. A little bit bigger than my other ones. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Gonna get him back, guys. See ya. Sorry if I splashed.
Oh no, you're good. You weren't even close. Nothing possible to throw a glide bait and move it.
I figured just try to cover water. This ain't really the best area here.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Little guy. Do a selfie with this one, right? Hopefully I'm doing it.
Take it or...
Yeah, might as well. We just need to start using this good with our fishes. Heck yeah, guys. Another bass. Probably the smallest one of the day, to be honest, guys. But we're catching them. We're catching fish. We're having fun. See you, buddy. Ooh, kind of belly flop, but... I don't know what this is, Jim. I think this is a bass. Oh, Jim.
that big.
I mean, he was fighting. Awesome, thanks. Heck yeah, guys, bass right off the rocks, sitting in the sun. Sweet, heck yeah. I don't even know what number that is. On the spinnerbait once again, guys. I know I probably sound boring to you guys because that's what you guys see me catch fish on all the time, but I mean, it's working, so. Not gonna weigh him. I'll have Jim take a picture real quick.
Oh, what did I do? Here you go.
Heck yeah, guys. Good color. They're eating good. It's the fall bite. That's what they're doing right now. All we're doing is weeding out the little ones pretty much, and hopefully we've got enough little ones to get fortunate enough to find a big one. Damn, we jumped it, Jim. I've never jumped a log with the trolling motor. Spinnerbait.
Yeah, a little guy. Oh, it's big.
Take a picture? I was just making sure I put a battery in it.
Oh yeah, should be good.
This is so weird. Oh my God, Jim.
Holy cow. He barely had it. Back in there one more time.
I was just saying, this is weird as fuck.
He had it in his mouth.
That was a big one.
Yeah. Probably like 28, 30.
I just hooked it. The story of my life all day. That's been the story of my life all fucking year, to be honest.
Yeah, he barely did it too.